What's up guys, I'm going to be doing a quick tour of my YouTube and gaming PC setup. Make sure y'all watch my videos and are subscribed. Let's get into the video. Alright, and for my PC, I'm rocking a Ryzen 5 at 1600 AF, 16GB of RAM, and a GTX 1060. This build cost me around $900, but it looks beautiful. I really love the fans and the tempered glass panel. It makes it look so nice. As for my keyboard, it's a K63 wireless. Keys are really clicky, that's what I like. They got this little attachable thing, so play comfortably. You got some nice Cherry MX switches. And here's my mouse. It's a Corsair Harpoon wireless. 2 buttons in the front, nice RGB logo. And also this RGB DPI button that you can just change, which is pretty cool. You can also plug it in, which is pretty easy access to when your mouse dies. And it's a pretty nice mouse overall. And here's my monitor. It's an Acer 75Hz 1080p monitor. It's pretty clean. It's pretty thin, as you can see. Also got a light ring. You already know we gotta use good lighting. Bright, dimmer, brighter, dimmer. You already know how it is. That's my PC setup. I'll see you in the next video.